Many people are in a lending business. Apparently, there's an infestation of Jewish people that have gotten into the lending business over the last couple of years, lending money to other Jews with interest, which the Torah says, En lo chelek le'olam haba. He has no share of the world to come. They say, no, but we signed a Shtar Iska. We signed a Shtar Iska. You can take that Shtar Iska that allows you to charge 20-30% interest, roll it into a piece of paper, and take it to the toilet with you. That Shtar Iska is worth nothing. Unless that Shtar Iska says that the actual lender owns the business. It's not a loan. Show me one Shtar Iska like this. It has to be, the actual loan part has to be interest-free. Let's say it's $100,000 being lent. $50,000 interest-free. Interest-free, meaning whether you like it or not, you have to return that money. But $50,000 you return. The other $50,000, there's no interest at all. It's a stake in the business. It's an ownership in the business, in the venture. Meaning you get a piece of the pie. But what if it blows up? What if it goes to nothing? A lot of business goes to nothing. What happens? Investments go to zero, the $50,000 goes to zero. That's a real Shtar Iska, Rabotai. Show me one like this. On all of these Shtar Iskas. They're all 100% interest. No. I'm getting interest because he's going to make money. That's a loan. But they said, but the rabbi signed off on it. Yeah, he's going to be in Genom, and right next to you, there's going to be a certain chapter. There's the division for the lenders, division for the borrowers, and there's a special division for the rabbis that signed off. None of them have the lender, the borrower, and the rabbi that signed off. No one has Olam Haba. And this is an infestation in a religious Jewish world, Rabbi. I had a guy, Baal Tshuva, at least 5-10 years, the other day asked me, are you allowed to lend people money with interest? I thought maybe, so I asked him to ask again. Repeat. Maybe I'm retarded or something. Because this is Rule 101 in Judaism. This is the beginning. This is like, Shabbat, lending. It's the beginning. It's the beginning of Judaism. The non-Jews know. The non-Jews know. That's why you go in many of these non-Jewish organizations, they usually have something called a Shtar Iska with some of these places that they have this in Jewish communities, a bank, they have Shtar Iska. Even though it's a non-Jewish organization. But Rabotai, the thing is that the Yetzer Hara has parked inside our neshamot to such an extent that he's manipulated our emet. He's manipulated our emet to think that we are allowed to do things that we're not allowed to do. And our actual tzaddik, be'emunato yichyeh, has changed definition. The tzaddik that lives based on his emunah, instead of us understanding it like the Chachamim and the Gemara actually says, he's going to live to Olam Haba because he has faith that Hashem is going to judge him. Instead, we say, no. Emunato meaning his own personal belief. Whatever is good for him, he's going to do. Whatever is good for him, he's going to do. Everyone's going to do whatever is good for them. For each their own, they call it in the Goyish world. For each their own. Live and let live. There's no such thing as live and let live in Judaism. You're not allowed to live and let live. That's what we have. So, with that being said, you had a question in regards to the Shtar Iska. Go ahead. As far as there's two questions. One, you're asking why is he doing it, and we just explained it. He has a Yetzer Hara, just like you have a Yetzer Hara, just like I have a Yetzer Hara. All of us have a Yetzer Hara. Sinners, Baruch Hashem, we have plenty of. Sins, we have plenty of those. Each one of us has our own Yetzer Hara. Some people have Yetzer Hara for arayot, for sex crimes. Some people have Yetzer Hara for money crimes. Some people have Yetzer Hara for other things. Everybody has a Yetzer Hara. If people truly understood what Rabbi Yisrael Misalant said over here, they would never sin a single sin in their life before they would contemplate whether it's even worth living past the sin. Rabbi Yisrael Misalant said that even the most average of average human beings knows the difference between right and wrong, and so do you, meaning you have no excuse when you go up to Shemayim. You have no excuse, I had Yetzer Hara. You have no excuse. You can't use that excuse when you go up to Shemayim. You cannot use that excuse, I have a Yetzer Hara. And he's also telling you in the same paragraph, he's telling you the fact that you know it is good. Problem is, you're not going to have it here in your mind unless you study it on a daily basis. Unless you study it on a daily basis. Unless you study Musar. Unless you must do tshuva every single day. And if you don't, you're risking losing your Olam Haba.